Need to change your Play Store country? Here's how to do it in just a few steps. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android phone. In the top right corner, tap on your profile icon. Now, tap on Payments and Subscriptions. Inside this menu, select Payment Methods. At the bottom, tap on More Payment Settings. This will redirect you to your browser and opens the Google Payments page. Once the page loads, tap on the menu icon in the top left corner. From here, select Settings. On the Settings page, tap the pencil icon next to Country Region. Then select Create New Profile. Tap Continue. Now choose the country you want. For example, I'm selecting Australia. Tap Continue again. You'll now be asked to enter an address from the country you selected. After filling it in, tap Submit. Finally, tap the View Profile to confirm the changes. Your Google Play Store country has been successfully updated. Subscribe for more Google tips and tricks.